what up? Fuck with this piano. Turn my headphones up a little bit. Yeah, like, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Yeah, and that just be the damn way. I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. On the real though, y'all some bullshit, but I keep it mad chill like some Cool Whip. Y'all be acting stupid, cause you can't keep it 100 like we do. And I hate to sound crazy, but this trap shit, man, it's so easy. Like E equals MC squared, y'all be too nice and the fuck see me, cause I tell the truth like a bad habit. And the truth is I don't fucking wreck shit, not like not even slightly. My girl caught up with your thought that we might be, and I told her that I am not the one, the road I walk upon, indeed be a lonely one, and you ain't gonna change how this cross been down, just like you cannot change the way your heart fucking feels, yeah.
Then I wait for bites. Pescatarian, I pause the pace. I'm domestic Marion in the broad displays. Draws I take like the gun blue blast. Scenario set if you ain't got a clue ass. I'm everywhere wet, fly your aerial jet. Body bare in the flesh, then let your tongue do the task. Clock's ticking, but you better be a G. If you gon' want your body on me, are you timid or just gentlemanly? What? Either way, you got a minute till you're sleeping on me. Tell the time, feel my body. These hands, they do not lie. Tell the time, feel my body. Someone and something's on my mind. Can you tell the time? Can you tell the time? It's 5:30, you're on mine. I highly recommend you a sit real Okay, quick if you wanna lift the hem and then hit those bases with the hip rotation. Pick location, drive up to my ends or the hotel suite. Leave the phone so the beep and buzz before you hold L's. No longer repeat the hugs, kisses and touches, lips licked and luscious. Wish list and bucket, both of those you want. Postpone, I'm gone. Clock's ticking, boy, you better be a G. If you gon' want your body on me, oh. Are you timid or just gentlemanly?